Hello dear friends, welcome back to Uma Talks, and here I am with another episode of book review. Now this is my third book review, and before I begin, let me thank you all. Thank you all for showing so much of love to the channel, and please share little more love and boost me little more so that I can bring better work for you. Thank you. Thank you. So let me now go towards this book review. Now before I begin, let me tell you that this is a Robin Sharma book, and this is the first book of Robin Sharma which I had heard about lots and which I wanted to read, and I've read it. Okay, and I'm going to share my views on this particular book and how much I liked it. This book is completely a gem of all the books. Okay, and it is loaded with values that I can say. Yes friends, let's talk about that. How many times have you heard a person who has reached up to the heights? Okay, let's talk about the actors or the entrepreneurs. Two of them I'll talk about: Shah Rukh Khan, okay, the actor, Amitabh Bachchan, yes, and then let me talk about Mukesh Ambani. Yes, have you ever heard them saying that without any toil, without any hard work, they have reached up to this success? They have been able to achieve what they wanted to in their lives? Okay, no, not at all. Okay, they really have worked hard and they have put in efforts when the whole world was sleeping, and that is the morning hours. So this book completely deals with that. Okay, here in this book, Robin Sharma says that actually humans or adults, you can say, adults, as we grow, okay, we are deteriorated children. Why? Because we forget to live our lives as a whole and we start compromising our lives, okay, fitting our lives into every certain situations. We forget our creative thinking. Our thinking power shrinks, you can say, and the life as a whole shrinks. Okay, we forget to enjoy our lives. We forget to enjoy the petty beauty, natural beauty, okay, whatever we see around. The things which used to make us happy, now they don't, because we are most of the time involved into our situations, and we think that we are overburdened with the problems of the world. Okay, so here he talks about the success. Okay, he says that wherever you want to reach, whether you are a student, you are an entrepreneur, you are an actor, you are an artist, wherever you are, whichever field you belong to, whatever your goals are, if you want to achieve, you follow this book. He has given a very nice timetable as well. Okay, and if you want to achieve your goals, you follow this and you will be able. So it completely depends. People may have complaints that I can't do. So it is completely up to you. How much serious are you about your goals? Okay, so the book which I have talked so much about is this, The 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma. Okay, this is again a best-selling book, and he has sold about 15 million books, okay, worldwide, and a very well-known book. Friends, this is just a grab book. As soon as you get it, just grab the book and read it. A must-have book, I can say. Okay, and now I would like to say that while reading the book, okay, it captured me in such a way that from the very first page till the last page, I have marked it. Okay, I have underlined lines. I have written very nice. Okay, the different you can say exclamations have been throughout the book. Okay, it is completely marked, and what a marvelous book Robin Sharma, and the values he has tried to instill into us. Yes, I have noted down some of the points to be shared with you, and I'm going to talk about it. Okay, as I said, that as adults, we have started compromising lives. Okay, and he says, come out of the world of scarcity, apathy, and limitation, and enter into a secret reality of geniuses, legends, and discover your powers within you, and you can create magic in your work and personal lives. So friends, this is what we people require. This is really a must-have book. And again, some of the few lines which really attracted me that I'm going to share with you. Suffering is rewards, and he also says that you have nightmares and dreams. ओके नाइटमेयर्स कुछ फियर्स होते हैं हमारे और ड्रीम्स होता है. तो ही सेज दैट यू कैन ऑलवेज conquer your nightmares, okay, because you have strong dreams. So if you have strong dreams, you can always conquer over your nightmares. Yes, and then yes, and yet another good sentence: one who sweats more in training bleeds less in war. So he says now, see Kohli, we can say, or Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Yes, they normally have been giving lots of practice to their bodies. They sweat more in the fields, and that is why they don't have to suffer so much on the fields, you say, when they go for playing, okay, in the matches. So that is what, if you sweat more, you are more comfortable, you are prepared for the particular time when actually you have to show yourself. Then high victory is made in the early morning hours, and when no one is watching, while everyone is sleeping, you can utilize that particular hour. Means you can add that hour into your working hours, and you can prepare yourselves, and that is what makes you the best. Okay, then again he says that to find yourself best, you must lose your weak self. ओके अगर आपको खुद को समझना है तो आप में जो कमजोरी है उसको छोड़ना होगा, तब आप अपने आप को समझ पाओगे. एंड देन मोस्ट पीपल कांट स्टैंड देमसेल्व्स. यस, अ very beautiful sentence. Here he says that because we cannot stand ourselves, हम खुद को bear नहीं कर पाते, okay, और इसीलिए हमको साइलेंस से भी डर लगता है. तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम हमेशा चाहते हैं कि हम भीड़ में रहें और हम जहां शांति रहे हम वहां ना रहें. तो इसमें क्या होता है, हमारी सेल्फ ग्रोथ नहीं हो पाती है. ओके, या बोलते हैं कि दिस डेवलप्स अ फीलिंग ऑफ सेल्फ हेट्रेड इन अस. Okay, because we keep away from silence, and to keep away, what do? We watch movies. We spend quite a lot of hours in media. Okay, so ये सारी चीजें हम करते हैं. तो self hatred is one of the problems. Okay, distractions you can say, or one of the obstacles in your growth. Okay, then all change is hard at first, messy in the middle, and gorgeous at the end. Yes, if you want to make some changes in your life, it's very hard. If you want to wake up early in the morning at 5 o'clock, it will be very hard if you have not been doing. Okay, तो और स्टार्टिंग में तो बहुत हार्ड होगा, फिर बीच वाला जो टाइम होगा, then it will be very messy, and at the end, if you have been practicing it, okay, since 21 days, 90 days, quite long tenure, okay, it is definitely going to give a gorgeous result. That is what he says. Okay, then another one. Yes, he says the 4 interior empires. He has stressed upon it. That's very, very important. Okay, mindset, heart set, health set, and soul set. These are the 4 interior empires. Actually, if we need to grow into our lives, okay, these four pillars, you can say, we must take care of it. So, what is mindset? Okay, taking care of our thinking, the way we think. Okay, psychology. Our thoughts make us what we are today. Okay, and then when we heart set it is, whatever negative emotions, negative feelings we have, that we have to leave, and these we have to practice every day. Next is health set. Yes, exercise is a must. Okay, and we all long for a long life. Okay, longevity of life is a must. That is what we wish. Okay, and health. So that holds very importance. Now that is an important pillar in our lives. So health set, and the last one is soul set, deals with spirituality. Okay, that spend some time in silence. Okay, and try to flash back what you have been doing, what you want. So these are the 4 pillars. Mindset. This is for the first time I have come across these words, and it was really very exciting actually for me also to know what is mindset, health set, and what are the 4 interior empires. Really marvelous. Big thumbs up to Robin Sharma ji. Okay, nice book. And then he says that these 4 pillars have to be polished and elevated each day. Every day in that 1 hour, 5 to 6, he says that is the victory hour, and in that victory hour these 4 has to be done. Quite many things are required to be done. As we go further, I'll be telling you. Then the next point he has said 20-20-20 formula he has given. Okay, and in this 20-20 formula, okay, he says that the first 20 minutes 5 to 5:20. Okay, what you have to do is you have to exercise, sweat, keep yourself hydrated. That is what you have to do. The next 20 minutes, you have to reflect on your life goals. What is your goal? Okay, even if you can write journals, do writing journals. And the last 20, okay, the pocket 20, that was writing journals, and 5:40 to 5:60, that is the last 20 minutes, okay, that you can give some material, some reading to your brain. Okay, for that what you have to do, read something, at least audiobook if you can, podcast, all that can be done in the last 20 minutes because your mind is very, very fresh. So this 20-20-20 formula, really very exciting. Okay, and then again there is another one. He says that these things, okay, it's not in just one day, but it goes on getting accumulated, and when it goes on getting accumulated, it shows the result. Yes, there is another one, 90 by 90 by 1, 90 by 90 by 1 formula, and this is what you cannot do many things at one particular time. You have to focus on one thing. एक important thing आपके पास होनी चाहिए जिसके आप focus करें, okay, and that focus has to be there on that particular thing for 90 days, and you have to practice 90 minutes. Got it? 90-91. So 90-91 में एक particular आपका focus होनी चाहिए, okay, एक फोकस पे 90 डेज होनी चाहिए, और वो 90 डेज में पर डे 90 मिनट्स इट हैज टू be given, and then you can master that particular skill. So he has given beautifully the schedule, okay, in his book, and it is again completely it is up to us whether we want to follow according to our convenience. Okay, and yes, if you wish to wake up at 5 a.m. friends, you really need to sleep by 8 or 9 p.m. at night, and only then you will get a good night's sleep, that is 7 to 8 hours, and hence it will be productive. Quite many things in the book that cannot be covered. This was, you can say, a mini review. Okay, so again I will just refer. I am going to do quite many books of Robin Sharma. I just love this fellow now, and this Robin Sharma's, again, as I told you, the name suggested by my son. So quite many books I'm going to do for Robin Sharma. I don't know. So this is the first book of Robin Sharma. Do read it and let me know how much you liked it. Okay, but this is short going to make a 360-degree change into your lives. So this is a 5 a.m. club and not a very costly book. Okay, it is reachable. I don't remember how much I bought it for. Okay, and you can again buy it anywhere. You can get it anywhere. I got it from Flipkart. You can get it Amazon or any bookstore near your house. So you can get it anywhere. So hope I have said whatever I wanted to about this book. Okay, so friends, thank you for watching, and try being a member of this 5 a.m. club. Even I'm working hard to be. So let me see, maybe slowly itself, but let us be a member of 5 a.m. club and reach up to our goals and be happy, have a happy life. It's not that all of us become entrepreneurs and actors, but wherever we are in our own fields, we must be the best. Okay, so challenge should be with our own selves. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed, share and give a big thumbs up. Thank you.